Hi, my name is Amy and I'm from Whitehorse, Yukon, and I'm reviewing the Heritage electric skillet. What I like about it is that it cooks, or it heats up really fast and it cooks really evenly. However, I'm not liking how big the lid is. Oops. When you're cooking with it, unless you have the counter space available, it's kind of awkward and it's hot. So you need to, well, when I did it, I had to put it on my cutting board over there. And so that was kind of a pain, but if you're just using it without the lid, that's fine. We cooked fish in it one night and the smell has not been able to go away. So I don't know if it's something in the material that's keeping that or what, but we tried several times. The other thing that it's bulky, like it's nice to have the handles, but the actual unit itself is, you gotta have a lot of covered space. So I would rate this 3 out of 5. I wouldn't personally buy this again, but it is nice to have if you need more cooking options than just your stove.